In this video, we will see what is CATIA, which are the different organizations using CATIA, what are the different products that are being designed in CATIA, how vehicle is designed in CATIA, what are the different domains of vehicle that is designed in CATIA, what are the different parts of vehicle that are designed in CATIA. If you want to make a career in CATIA, you should know what are the salary packages, what is the starting salary package in CATIA, and how is the financial growth with year, and finally the roadmap to make a successful career in CATIA. Talking about CATIA, CATIA is a 3D modeling software used by thousands of industries across the globe for product design. Various products are being designed in CATIA. There are different domains, different workbench the CATIA has, and different types of products are being designed. Now, CATIA was developed in 1977, long back, by a French company which is into aircraft manufacturing, known as Aviation Marcel Dassault. The objective of designing or developing this software was to design fighter jet. And now, CATIA is worldwide famous and it is used by thousands of industry to design thousands of different products. We will see different organizations that are using CATIA and different products that are being designed by this organization using CATIA. The first one is automotive segment. 70% of the automotive industries are using CATIA to design their vehicles, and 70 to 80% of the vehicle, any vehicle, is designed in CATIA. Rest of the 20 to 30% is only designed in other softwares. You take an example of car, truck, bus, bike, mopeds, everything is designed in CATIA. The second important segment of organization is aviation, aerospace and defense. As discussed, CATIA was developed for fighter jet design, and it has now been implemented to design the aerospace, defense and aviation, the passenger craft, the cargo craft, the fighter jet, the space station. Everything is designed in CATIA V5. The next segment comes, that is marine, the passenger ship, the cargo ship, the warship. Everything is designed in CATIA. The CATIA has a huge applications. The software is very easy and it is user friendly. Hence, these products it becomes very easy for the users to design the products. Then comes the medical industry. The scanning machines, the medical equipments used for diagnosis and tests, the surgical equipments, these all are designed in CATIA. Coming to industrial equipment, all the manufacturing machines, the machines used in production, are designed in CATIA V5. You can see the machines that are used for mounting, clamping, guiding, indexing, rotating any elements. That is also designed in CATIA. Apart from this, hydraulic system, pneumatic system, electromagnetic systems is also designed in CATIA. The next segment comes home and lifestyle. If you see at your home, you can see a lot of household appliances, refrigerator, microwave, washing machine, mixer and grinder. These all products are designed in CATIA. Whether it's a plastic product, sheet metal product, casting product, foam product, everything is designed in CATIA. The next segment is consumer, packaged goods and retail. In day-to-day life, we are using different types of creams, medicine, gels. All these are being packed in a specific packaging box. This all packaging is being designed in CATIA V5. The next segment is construction and infrastructure. You can see the lifts, the elevators in malls, in commercial buildings, in residential buildings. These are all being designed in CATIA. From this you can understand CATIA has a huge customer base and it is used by various companies across the globe. More the users, more the chance of having a bright future. So guys, we will see different domains and different part of vehicles and those that are designed in CATIA V5. You can see on the screen, the vehicle is divided into many domains. For example, exterior trim, interior trim, BIW, setting system, exhaust, chassis, HVAC, that stands for heater, ventilation and air conditioning, wire harnesses, powertrain, engine and lighting systems. And most of them are designed in CATIA. We will see in detail those domains that are designed in CATIA one by one. The first domain we will see is vehicle interior. Technically, it is also called as interior trim. You can see on the screen, interior trim has different parts, or we can see it has different assemblies, and each assembly has more than 15 to 20 parts. Door trim, console, trunk, instrumental panel. It is also called as a dashboard. Interior trim plays an important role in making vehicle aesthetically beautiful. And all these parts are designed in CATIA V5. CATIA makes it very easy to design a beautiful product, a manufacturable product and a cost-effective product with all its available features. The next domain is exterior trim. You can see on the screen few parts of vehicle exterior trim like bumper, exterior grille, exterior side mirror hub. There is exterior lift gate. Apart from this, there are many other parts like door panel. There are almost 4 door panels in every vehicle, in every passenger car. There is a hood, there is a roof, there is a step bumper. These parts are either made of plastics or sheet metal. And CATIA V5 is very efficient in designing both plastics and sheet metal parts. The next domain is BIW. It stands for body in white. Now what is body in white? Body in white is the name given to a car body sheet when all its components bearing moving parts, example hood, fender, trim, seatings, chassis subassemblies have been welded together. Body in white is made up of lightweight metal and a high strength metal. Mostly aluminum alloys are used for making BIW. An important aspect of designing vehicle BIW with lightweight material is ensuring crashworthiness and occupant safety. The entire design is done in CATIA V5. BIW has more than 1000 parts. BIW is also segmented into outer panel, inner panel and underbody panel. If you see the outer panel, it is further segmented into A pillar, B pillar, C pillar. For few vehicles, they have D pillar and E pillar also. If you take an example of a car, it has only 3 pillars, A pillar, B pillar, C pillar. But if you see SUVs, they have more than 3 pillars. BIW are mostly of 2 types. Let us learn more about them when we make a series of BIW design later. The next domain is seating system. Seating plays an important role in human comfort while driving. There are 2 types of seats used in passenger vehicle. One is the bucket seat and the another is bench seat. Bucket seat can be seen in front row of a vehicle, the driver seat and the co-driver seat. The bench seat you can see at the rear row. Seat has many parts. Some parts are made in plastic, some parts are made up of sheet metal and the cushion is made up of foam. All these parts are designed in CATIA. CATIA makes it very simple to design such a product with all the 3 materials. Next we will see lighting systems. There are different types of lights available in vehicle. Headlight, tail light, indicators and fog lamp. Each light has its own function, either to increase the visibility in dark or during the night time, or to show your vehicle presence on road to other coming vehicles, or to give an indication that you are turning your vehicle, or you are braking your vehicle, or you are parking your vehicle. CATIA V5 is used to design this lighting system considering all the properties of light. Exhaust system. The exhaust system collects the exhaust gas from engine cylinder, removes harmful substance, reduces the level of noise and discharges the purified exhaust gas at a suitable point of the vehicle, away from its occupants. Now exhaust system has 3 major components: the exhaust manifold, catalytic converter and a muffler. All these components are designed separately in CATIA V5 and are also assembled to form the entire exhaust system. The next domain is wiring harness. You can see in the picture there are a lot of wires which are connected to different electronic parts. These wires are routed through the body of a vehicle. In general, if we see, a wiring harness is an organized set of wires, terminals and connectors that are routed through the entire vehicle body, connecting all the electronic parts, actuators and sensors with the main power unit. This is all designed in CATIA. In CATIA V5, there is a special workbench for designing wiring harness, and it makes it very easy, productive and cost effective for designers to make a virtual environment before finalizing the design. So coming to the last domain, HVAC. Further to this, we will see salary packages and financial growth in CATIA. So HVAC. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. So it has three different products: heater, ventilator and air conditioner, all integrated together to form HVAC. It is the technology of indoor and vehicle environmental comfort, and its goal is to provide thermal comfort and acceptable indoor air quality. So all this product, heater, ventilator and air conditioner, is designed in CATIA V5 and it is integrated together to form HVAC. Career in CATIA V5. We will discuss about the job opportunities in CATIA. Before you start learning any software, whether it is a CAD software or it is a CAE software, you should know what are the job opportunities available in market, current job opportunities and future job opportunities. This you can find out by doing a small research. You can go to some portal, job portal, put a keyword CATIA and you will find out the list of openings currently available. Important point to be noted is, job opportunities are totally depend on the number of companies using a particular software. More the number of companies using the software, higher is the opportunity of getting a job. Higher is the opportunity of growing in that particular area. As discussed, when we talk about CATIA, it is used by number of industries: in automotive, in aviation, aerospace and defense, in marine, in medical, in industrial equipment, home and lifestyle, consumer packages, goods and retail, construction and infrastructure. It is used worldwide. More than 1,000 of organizations are using CATIA in India. So there is a huge job opportunities available in market. So taking a decision to learn CATIA today can be a fruitful decision for a bright future. So let us discuss steps to make career in CATIA V5. These steps are not limited only to make career in CATIA V5. These are applicable to make career in any CAD and CAE software. So freshers, fresh mechanical graduates, students looking for career change from any other profile and want to be a design engineer and want to work in R&D should follow these steps very seriously. Step 1. As you are a mechanical graduate, you should be very good with your fundamentals of engineering. You should know the basic fundamentals. These fundamentals are not going to leave you till you retire. Any interview you appear, questions will be asked on fundamentals. And if your fundamentals are good, it will be very easy for you to design a product. This can be done before joining any course. It's not mandatory that you should join a course and start learning. You can do it before, you can do it after. You can do any time, whenever you want. The first step to learn CATIA is learn basics of CATIA. Now what do you mean by basics of CATIA? It includes 4 topics. First is sketcher, second is part modeling, third is assembly and fourth is drafting. This can be learned from any institute. You can learn in a classroom. Some colleges are teaching in their labs, or if you are not learned, you can join any institute. You can come to our institute. If you learn it thoroughly, you can move to the next step. Learning basics of CATIA may or may not give you job immediately. So learning only basic may not be sufficient to become a design engineer in today's competitive environment. Step number 2. Learn advanced CATIA. Now what do you mean by advanced CATIA? You must not have heard about these topics before, because nobody tells you this in college, and 95% of the institutes in any city will not talk about advanced CATIA. Their teaching will be limited only to basics of CATIA. You should learn advanced CATIA. Now, what do you mean by advanced CATIA? What are the topics involved in advanced CATIA? Few I will name it. Learn non-parametrics to parametrics. Learn close volume. Learn master section. Learn generative shape design. Learn reverse engineering. These are the few topics that I have highlighted. You should learn these topics. Learning advanced may also not be sufficient because it is only about getting the software knowledge. The step 3 includes learning domain. Now, what is the objective of learning a software? And if you want to design a product, we should be very specific which product we are going to design. Whether we are going to design a plastic product, sheet metal product, casting product or foam product. To do this, we should learn at least one domain. It is expected by today's industry that you should know at least one domain. Let us say if we talk about plastic domain, what are the things we should learn in plastic domain? We should know what are the different types of engineering plastics available. Which are the engineering plastics that are used to design a specific product? Which are the manufacturing process of plastic product? What are the manufacturing constraints? What are the design constraints? These are the few things it is expected by industry you should know. Step 4 is learn design standards. Now, for designing any product, companies had designed certain standards that you should know. You should have knowledge on GD&T. You should have knowledge on standard industrial practices. Now, this step number 4, it is very difficult to get into any institute. You will not be able to learn this from institute. Now, this can be learned either by doing internship in any design center or any engineering service center, or joining an institute which is having collaboration with industries. Just like what we have. CAD CAM Academy by G2G Innovation is collaborated with various industries, and we teach candidates today's industrial practices. We teach candidates design standards. We teach candidates standard industrial practices. So a standalone institute may not be able to give you this. Step number 5, the most important, hands-on product design. So the basic idea of learning CATIA is to design a product, right? So you should start from basics, learn advanced, learn domain at least one, know the design standards, learn GD&T, know standard industrial practice, and get hands-on product design. Similarly to step 4, as I told you, step 5 you may not be able to get in institute. You need to either go for an industrial internship program, or you need to join an institute which is collaborated with industries, just like G2G Innovation. If you follow all these 5 steps, you will get a tremendous knowledge, and this knowledge will give you job today or tomorrow. You will not waste your time, neither your money. Now I'll talk about what not to do. If you want to be a design engineer, what not to do. First, you should not learn all the softwares. If you want to become a really successful engineer, become the master of one software, at least one software. Then you can learn other softwares to a basic level. So it is recommended by industries that you should be master in at least one software. Other softwares you can learn to a basic level. Because learning software is not so critical. Learning product design is very critical. And this is very important today. So follow these steps and make a successful career in CATIA. Here we will be talking about professional and financial growth in CATIA V5. Industries do hire freshers every year as per the requirement and as per the company policy. Each industry, each organization has their own way of screening the candidates. Some companies prefer taking CAD tool test followed by technical interview followed by HR interview. Few companies prefer taking written technical test followed by CAD tool test, and it is followed by technical interview and HR interview. Now, what is CAD tool test? This is the most important part of the screening process. You will be given certain input. The input can be in the form of a drawing, it can be in the form of a presentation or a technical document or an input model, and you will be asked to deliver the output following the guidelines in a specified time. Based on your performance in this tool test, they will be evaluating you with their certain criteria. Now, criteria can be first speed, whatever time they have given you, whether you are able to complete the assignment within time or not, that will define your speed. The methodology, what methodology you have used. There can be different methods of designing a product. So what methodology you have used? They will see the accuracy level, they will compare your output with the input, and they will see whether you have delivered the desired output or not. They will see how is your approach of designing. So few are the criteria they will be evaluating you. Based on what you have delivered in specified time, they will be evaluating you. And this is the most important part of evaluation for a position of GT or design engineer. If you make through this CAD tool test, you will be eligible to go for a next screening process. Now, generally companies do hire freshers for the position of GET or PGET design. GET stands for Graduate Engineer Training. PGET stands for Postgraduate Engineer Training. Some companies also prefer hiring fresher for the position of design engineer. And from there, your journey begins. The next level can be the position of senior design engineer. Now this all depends on your performance, on your contribution, your attitude, your leadership quality, and few other qualities expected by organization. You will be promoted to next level. The next level can be team lead design, assistant manager design, deputy manager design, manager design, senior manager design, head of the department design, head of the department R&D, vice president R&D, president R&D. Many are not able to reach to the position of president. Many get retired till the time they become HOD of design or HOD of R&D. But few excellent candidates make through to reach the position of president. Some candidates are also there, extremely good candidates. Those candidates even becomes managing director of the company. Few candidates also become the board of director of the company. Now this all depends on the contribution that we are making to the organization and the quality that we have. Looking at the salary band, generally freshers get a salary starting from to 5.5 lakhs. 90 to 95% of the freshers start their career at a salary band of 3.0. Some companies are there, they give a little higher salary. As a fresher, you should be happy to start your career at around 3 lakhs. If you get an experience of around 5 years, you can expect a salary of around 6 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs. After 10 years of experience, you can expect at least 15 lakh salary to around 25 lakh salary. And all the salary depends on the skill sets that you have and the organization's salary band. Every organization has a decided salary band. They don't give less than that and they don't give beyond that. So guys, it's time to take your first step to make career in CATIA V5 with our online courses. Few points you should keep in your mind if you really want to make your career successful. First, have patience while learning, do your assignments seriously and repeat your assignments till you achieve perfection and speed. So from Team CAD CAMC Academy and G2G Innovation, all the best. Let's develop skills today to build a successful career. See you in the next video.